Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. I have here a journal share on the Accordion journal folio project that we've been working on for the past week or so. I'll link down below the tutorial for how this was assembled and decorated in case you would like to know about that. And I think it just turned out lovely. It is 5 by 7 inches, and there are 16, I don't know if I want to call them pages, they're more like sections, front and back, folded up inside this journal. And so you'll see a little bit more as we go along. And so it's held together with a seam binding tie that's attached to the back of this journal. And here on the front is this beautiful wallpaper digital. And here's the digital that I created this digital. So this is a free one that you can download, and I'll put that link down below as well. There's some cheesecloth here on the back. So we'll get started on the inside. Now, a lot of these sections have been sewn around, so a lot of the ephemera has been sewn around. So there's a lot of stitching on here throughout the journal. And so inside the pocket here is a little tiny mini journaling card. And here is the back of this tag, excuse me, which lives in the back. And here are some beautiful florals. These are from Ephemera's Garden, these 3 tags here. The paper digital kit comes from the Pink Monarch, and I'll put that down below as well. Oops, he got put out there. And here on the first page, I am so sorry. Here on the first page is a journaling card that's been embossed, sewn around with a little cloth tab, some tea stain paper on the back. And these 2 sections form a pocket, and inside there is a journaling tag. And perfect for a place to put a photo or some kind of memorabilia like that. And we'll turn the page over, and here are some little mini tabs. They've been sewn around, and this is an envelope that opens up, and inside the envelope is a beautiful bird, some lace, and of course it's been stitched around. This is a brad that you can remove these small tabs, and then you can write on the other side of them. I don't know if you can kind of take a peek. And this lives in here, of course, and a little label down there. And so this could be a perfect place for a photo or journaling or putting memorabilia of some sort. And over on this section, now these sections are all put together with muslin, and there's plenty of room between the area so that you can bulk up these surfaces, and it can hold quite a bit in there. Here is a section here, and live every day with intention. Oh, what good advice is that? And this is a journaling card that pulls out, and I've added this precious little girl there. And then there's room on the back to do what you would like. You can put other things inside this window if you prefer as well. So here we go with the next sections, and then this is a portfolio envelope that opens up, and there are sides that have been put in place so that your ephemera won't slip out. And in here I have placed all kinds of tags and such that you can use in an envelope that I've not sealed in case you want to keep it open. So these are all that you can use inside the kit, or use wherever you would like to use them. And we'll just come to this other section here, and here's some vellum that's been heat embossed. And then you can lift up, and it'd be really I think it'd be kind of cute to put like a little photo right here. I don't know, whatever you'd like to do. And here's a lovely little nest, and this all flips up with even more areas here to journal on, and of course this area here. And these 2 pieces form a pocket, and inside here is this journaling tag, and it has a little little butterfly charm, and this is the back. And of course all those cards have been sewn around. Then we come to this lovely embossed rose pocket. And this is from Stampin' Up, but it's a very, very old one, an old embossed plate. It's lovely though, it's my favorite. And then I have a little embossed, gold embossed butterfly on this little booklet. It has some little extra places for you to write a few things. And a pocket back here for you to stick some your excuse me, your memorabilia. Now we come to the back, which actually becomes another front. And so some vintage lace in the background with some more lovely wallpaper image. And now we start turning the pages this way from the back side. I have included here a pocket for you to maybe put in a letter or a note, or maybe somebody sent you a card you want to keep. And then these here, I've left this side pretty much blank so that you can decorate it as you wish. And to decorate it, I've included inside this little portfolio pocket all kinds of little mini pieces of matching ephemeras for you to put throughout your journal if you wish to use that. And you could also, when it's empty, you can put something special inside here if you'd like to keep it. I have this little beautiful washi tape frame to secure the folds, but also I think it adds a little bit of extra bling to the journal. Inside here is a slip pocket with this lovely tag. This is also from Ephemera's Garden. A little bit of lace sewn there on the top. And there's room for another tag in here if you like to use one of the other ones. And another empty space for you to journal in, another pocket for storage. And here is a pocket down here for more storage. And then we come to the end. And it is, like I say, plenty of room here to add more. I have loaded up this little folio envelope with quite a few pieces, so it's a little humpy bumpy there, but as you use those pieces and as you add more inside here, it will expand. So this does, if you want to totally take it out, come out like this. So as you journal in it, you can definitely expand it and then, you know, work on each page as you'd like to work on it. All right, so yeah, I think it's a nice blend of decorated pieces and opportunities for you to add your own personality to it. So thank you so much for viewing, and like I said, there is a tutorial down below. Please like and share this video with someone you think would be interested in it, and please subscribe so that next time you'll see what else I'm going to be working on. So thank you so much for viewing, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.